We spend hours in our cars. Our cars kind of feel like a second home. Along the way, our cars get messy, windows fog up, phone chargers vanish into thin air. That's where I come in with my smart car hacks. No tools, no stress, just no-nonsense tricks that simply fixes your everyday problems. In this video, I'll reveal 10 useful car hacks that drivers don't even think about. Plus, the secret tip in the end will easily save you $300 and a workshop visit. Let's jump in. Hack number 1. Toothpaste hack for foggy windows. Best for rainy days. Ever been in this situation? You're running late, it's raining outside. You jump into the car, start it up, and just like that, the windows fog over. You can't see a thing. You try wiping it with your sleeve, blowing on the glass, but nothing helps. It's frustrating, right? Here's a trick I wish I knew sooner. Take a small squeeze of white non-gel toothpaste and gently rub it on the inside of your car windows using a soft cloth. Let it sit for a minute, then wipe it off until the glass is nice and clear. What you're doing is leaving behind a super thin, invisible layer that stops fog from forming. No more steamy windows, no more squinting to see the road. And yes, it even works on your side mirrors. Quick tip though, test a small corner first to be safe and make sure your toothpaste isn't gritty. It's one of those weird little hacks that actually works. Hack number 2, sanitary pad for killing old milk smell. If you've ever driven with a baby in the back seat, you know the drill. 1 minute, they're smiling. The next, surprise vomit all over the seat. And the smell of milk, it hangs around for days. Here's a smart little hack that makes cleanup way easier. Grab a scented sanitary pad and stick it near the mess, under the car seat, in the cup holder, or wherever the smell hits hardest. These pads are made to absorb moisture fast, so if there's any leftover dampness hiding in the seat fabric, the pad pulls it in. Plus, the gentle scent helps cover up that sour milk smell no one wants to breathe in. It won't replace a full cleanup, but it buys you time, especially if you're stuck on the road or can't detail the car right away. Just peel it off and toss it when you're done. If needed, swap in another one. It's a small fix, but when you're dealing with baby messes, even a little help goes a long way. Hack number 3, lipstick trick to fix latch issues. You slam your trunk shut, but it pops right back open. You try again, same thing. Frustrating, right? Here's a clever little trick using something you probably didn't expect: lipstick. Here's what to do. Take some lipstick and lightly smear it on the metal latch on your trunk lid, the part that hooks into the base. Now, gently close the trunk and open it again. Check the latch receiver below. The lipstick leaves a mark right where it hit. If the mark's off center, it means the latch is misaligned. Now you know exactly where the problem is. No guessing, no extra trips to the mechanic. This trick works on car doors too if they're squeaky or not closing right. Pro tip, use an old lipstick and clean up the marks after you're done so there's no stain left behind. Hack number 4, newspaper trick for stubborn stickers. Got an old sticker stuck on your windshield that just won't budge? Maybe it's a faded parking permit, old toll tags, or one of those dealership labels. Instead of scratching away at it with your nails, try this easy old school trick: newspaper and warm water. Here's how it works. Grab a few sheets of newspaper and soak them in warm, soapy water. Once they're nice and soggy, press them right over the sticker. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. While you're waiting, the moisture softens the glue underneath the sticker. When time's up, gently peel it back. Most times, it'll come off in one smooth piece. Still some sticky stuff left behind? Use the wet newspaper to rub it off. No chemicals, no scraping, just clean glass. Quick warning, only use this on windows, not on the painted parts of your car. It could leave marks or mess up the paint. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Hack number 5, slime fix for cleaning old gooey dirt patches. How many times have you eaten fries in the car and grabbed the steering wheel with greasy fingers or touched the dashboard? Yeah, we all do it. Over time, the steering wheel and buttons get sticky, dusty, and just plain gross. But here's a fun way to clean it all up: slime. Yep, the same stuff kids play with. Grab a handful of cleaning slime. You can make it at home or buy it from a store. Press it gently onto your steering wheel, buttons, and all those tricky spots on your dashboard. The slime squishes into every little corner, picking up dirt like a magnet. No sprays, no paper towels, no mess. When you're done, just pop the slime back into a sealed container so you can use it again later. It's fun, fast, and seriously satisfying. Hack number 6, WD-40 trick for shiny tires. You ever wash your car but realize the tires still look kinda muddy or dull? Here's a quick fix that makes your tires pop. WD-40. Yep, the same spray your parents might use to fix squeaky doors works like magic on tires too. Just grab a can, spray a little on the sidewalls only, and wipe it down with a clean cloth. Instantly, all the dirt, dust, and road grime comes off. What's left? A deep black, glossy finish that looks like you just rolled out of a showroom. And there's more. WD-40 doesn't just clean, it also helps protect the rubber from drying out and cracking. Plus, it repels water for a while, which means your tires stay cleaner longer. Super important, never spray it on the tire tread. That's the part that grips the road. It gets slippery and that can be dangerous. Stick to the sidewalls only. Here's a bonus tip for dull hubcaps. A quick spritz of WD-40 brings back their shine too. It's fast, cheap, and makes your car look fresh in minutes. Hack number 7. Hand sanitizer fix for frozen locks. It's a freezing winter morning. You grab your car keys, rush outside, and your door lock won't budge. Frozen solid. But don't panic, just reach for your hand sanitizer. Yep, the same stuff you use to clean your hands. Squeeze a little of the alcohol-based sanitizer right onto your key or directly into the lock. Slide the key in, and the alcohol works fast to melt the ice inside. In seconds, the lock turns, the door opens, and you're back in business. No hairdryer, no warm water, no hassle. You can use the same trick if your gas tank cap gets frozen shut. Just one smart tip, don't leave the sanitizer in the car. It can freeze there. Keep a small bottle in your coat pocket or bag so it's ready when you need it most. Hack number 8, balloon trick for cleaning pet hair. If you've ever taken your dog for a ride, you already know pet hair gets everywhere. It sticks to your seats, your clothes, and somehow finds its way into every corner of your car. And no matter how much you vacuum, there's always some left behind. Here's a weird but amazing trick. A regular latex balloon. Blow it up, tie the end, and gently rub it over your car seats or floor mats. As you do, static electricity builds up. The balloon pulls pet hair right off the surface like it's got a magnet inside. Bonus tip, got pet fur stuck to your sweater or jacket after the ride. Run the balloon over your clothes too, it works just as well. Hack number 9, zip tie fix for a loose bumper. You pull out of a parking spot, hear a scrape, and suddenly, clunk, your bumper's hanging off like it's about to fall. Maybe it was a pothole or a sneaky curb. Either way, it's not a good look, but here's a quick fix that'll hold things together. Yep, those little plastic strips in every toolbox are your bumper's best friend. Just grab a couple, loop them through any holes or gaps in the bumper and the grille, and pull them tight. Your bumper's back in place, at least for now. Bonus tip, if your windshield wipers freeze overnight, slide them into old tube socks and tie them with zip ties before bed. It will keep them warm and flexible in the morning. Hack number 10, nail polish trick for fixing car scratches. Do you know the cost of repairing a tiny scratch on a car body? $150 to $300, sometimes more, depending on the shop and location. Yes, this is how much it costs for small surface scratches only. We aren't even mentioning the big dents or chipped paint. Here is a budget-friendly fix that actually works. Grab a bottle of nail polish that closely matches your car's color. Clean the scratched area and let it dry completely. Then use the nail polish brush to gently dab a thin layer right onto the scratch. Let it dry, and just like that, the scratch looks way less noticeable. Even better, the nail polish seals the scratch, keeping out water and stopping rust from creeping in. Pro tip, if your car's a light color or the scratch is deeper, go with clear nail polish to seal things up after you color match. Now it's your turn to tell us which of these hacks surprised you the most. Let us know in the comments. And be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.